Have you ever wanted to talk with your friends in English but didn't know what to say?
Or maybe you were afraid your sentences would sound strange or wrong?
Don't worry. Today we'll show you how to make simple, natural, and friendly English dialogues that help you connect with people.
Because English is not about perfection, it's about connection.
Welcome back to Simple English Space. I'm Anna.
And I'm Noah. In this episode, we're talking about simple English dialogues with friends. We'll explore how to talk naturally, ask questions, respond politely, and express your thoughts easily.
You don't need big fancy words to sound fluent. You just need confidence, practice, and a smile.
That's right. Speaking English with your friends is one of the best ways to improve your fluency because it's relaxed, friendly, and fun.
So, Noah, when we talk with friends, what makes the conversation natural?
I think it's when both people listen, laugh, and share small stories. You don't have to talk like a robot. You can say simple things like, "Hey, what's up?" or "How's your day going?"
Yes, and also use follow-up questions. For example, if your friend says, I went shopping, you can ask, Oh, really? What did you buy? This keeps the conversation alive.
Exactly. The key is to show interest. When you care about what your friend says, your English sounds more natural and friendly.
Hey, Jack, it's been a while. How are you?
Hi, Emma. I'm good. Just a bit busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work's been crazy lately. I really needed this coffee break.
Yeah, me too. So, what's new?
Not much. I started a new hobby, painting.
Oh, that sounds cool. What do you paint?
Mostly landscapes. It helps me relax.
Nice. I wish I had time for that.
You should try it on weekends. It's fun and peaceful.
Maybe I will. Thanks for the idea.
No problem. Next time we can paint together.
Deal. Let's plan it soon.
That was a great example of a friendly, simple dialogue.
Yes. Notice how Emma and Jack use short sentences, questions, and positive tone.
They also take turns speaking, ask follow-up questions, and share personal things. That's what makes conversations feel real and warm.
And they didn't use difficult words, just natural ones.
Listeners, remember this. Speaking English doesn't mean speaking perfectly. It means sharing your thoughts clearly.
Many learners are shy because they think people will laugh at their grammar or accent. But guess what? No one becomes fluent without mistakes.
That's right. Every mistake you make is proof that you're learning something new.
Imagine this. A baby learns to walk by falling hundreds of times, but they don't stop. They stand again. Speaking English is the same. It's okay to fall as long as you stand up again.
So today, we want to challenge you. After this podcast, start a simple conversation in English. Ask your friend, how was your weekend? Or what do you like to do after work?
Don't wait until you're ready. Start now, even with simple words. You'll get better every day.
Confidence doesn't come before practice, it comes from practice.
Let's share some simple but useful phrases you can use when talking with friends.
Great idea. Here are a few. 1. Hey, what's up? Means, how are you? In a casual way. 2. Long time no see, when you meet a friend after a while. 3. That's awesome, to show excitement. 4. No worries, when you want to say it's okay. 5. Catch you later means see you soon.
You can mix these phrases into your daily talks to sound more natural.
And remember, tone and body language matter. Smile, keep eye contact, and show you care. Now let's do something fun. I'll ask 5 questions and Noah will answer with longer explanations. Question 1. What should you say when you meet your friend after a long time?
You can say, "Hey, long time no see. How have you been?" It sounds warm and friendly. It tells your friend you're happy to see them. You can also add something like, "I missed hanging out with you," to make it more personal.
Question 2. How can you keep a conversation going in English?
Always ask follow-up questions. For example, if someone says, "I watched a movie," don't just say, "Oh." Ask, "What movie did you watch?" Or, "Was it good?" This keeps the talk interesting. People love when you show curiosity.
Question 3. What if you forget a word during the conversation?
That's common. Just describe it or use gestures. For example, if you forget the word umbrella, you can say the thing for rain or point. Don't panic. The goal is to communicate, not to be perfect.
Question 4. What's one way to sound more natural when speaking with friends?
Use contractions like I'm, you're, we're, instead of I am, you are, we are. It makes your speech smoother. Also use simple fillers like I mean, well, when you think. Native speakers do that all the time.
And question 5. How can you practice English even when you're alone?
Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking dinner. Now I'm watching TV. It helps your brain think in English. You can also record your voice or write a diary. It's simple but very effective.
Those were great answers, Noah.
Thanks, Anna. Learning English with friends makes everything easier.
Yes, because language is social. It grows when we use it together.
And if you feel shy, remember this. Your friends probably make mistakes too. You can laugh, learn, and grow together.
Learning should feel like a journey with friends, not an exam.
That's beautiful. And the more you talk, the more natural you'll sound. It's all about practice, patience, and positivity.
Let's share some real life tips for our listeners.
Sure. 1. Join an English club or online group. 2. Watch movies with friends and discuss them in English. 3. Try English-only days. Speak only English for one day each week. 4. Text your friends in English on WhatsApp or Telegram. 5. Practice role plays like ordering food, asking for help, or small talk.
Yes, the more English becomes part of your daily life, the more confident you'll feel. Don't compare your English to others. Everyone learns differently.
Exactly. Some people learn fast, some slow, but progress is progress, no matter how small.
Even if you speak one new sentence today, that's growth. Celebrate it.
You're not competing with anyone. You're learning for yourself.
So, next time you talk to a friend, Don't worry about mistakes. Focus on connection and fun.
Because friendship is not about perfect grammar. It's about real conversation and laughter.
Now it's quiz time. Let's test what our listeners remember from today. Question 1. What does long time no see mean? A. Goodbye. B. I haven't seen you for a long time. Answer B. I haven't seen you for a long time. Question 2. What should you do when you forget a word? A. Stop talking. B. Describe it or use gestures. Answer B. Describe it or use gestures. Question 3. Which is more natural in daily speech? A. I am going to the mall. B. I'm going to the mall. Answer B. I'm going to the mall. Question 4. What's the main goal of speaking English with friends? A. Perfection. B. Communication. Answer B. Communication. Question 5. What can you do to practice alone? A. Talk to yourself in English. B. Stay silent until class. Answer A. Talk to yourself in English. Great job, everyone. Whether you got all the answers right or not, the most important thing is you tried.
Yes. Every time you listen, repeat, or speak even one new sentence, you are improving.
Remember, fluency is built from small daily steps, like a bridge made stone by stone.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and never give up.
You can talk about your life, your hobbies, your dreams, anything. The more you speak, the more confident you'll feel.
Exactly. One day you'll look back and realize, wow, I can speak English easily now.
And that day starts today.
So go ahead, message a friend, say hi, how's it going? And start your English journey right now.
Because the best time to practice was yesterday, but the second best time is today.
Beautifully said, Anna.
And that's all for today's episode about simple English dialogues with friends. I hope you feel more confident to start friendly English conversations in your daily life.
Before we go, here's a question for you. What new English phrase did you learn today that you can use with your friends?
And for next time, what kind of English situations do you want to practice next? Maybe at school, at work, or while traveling? Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss other videos.